Hello, this is Roomba Tester. This is going to be my review of the iRobot Roomba 505 Plus. First, I'm going to start on the dock. This is the dirty water tank, and this is the clean water tank. They simply lift out like this. When the clean water tank is empty, this light will turn on. When the dirty water tank is full, this will turn on, and when the bag's time to replace, this will turn on. And this indicates that there is power getting to the base station. To empty the dirty water tank, you just pull this, and it comes up. And it just snaps back down. Same on this one. And I simply just lift it, line it back up, and put it back on. It does leak a little bit, I've noticed, but that's fine. Next, lift this down. Here's your self-empty bag that all the dust and stuff goes into. And it comes with an extra one and 2 extra cleaning pads. These are not usually in there, but I just shoved them in because I didn't feel like putting them in the box. This is also the little brush cleaning tool and filter tool. Get a new bag. Then the simply just lifts back up in here, and you're good. When you first get it, this is not going to be attached. You're going to have to attach this on. It's super simple. In here, it is a little dirty, so sorry about that. Right here, mop pads, spin on this, which gets them wet and cleans them. And then all the dirty water goes into here, and this, yeah, that's gross. And then that little hole right there is where the suction pump sucks all the dirty water into the tank. This just simply goes back down there. This you're going to need to clean every so often. There's a self-empty port, pretty big, charging contacts. I think those are just alignment ports. And this is some extra air for the self-empty. This is what it looks like from the back. Right here is where the air comes through. Here's what it looks like from the side. Over top. And again from the side. Overall, it's pretty simple and boring back here. And this is how easy it is to attach the tray to the base. Just line these up, this, and then push down. It's hard to do one-handed. Right, seems like it's it. In case you're wondering, yes, this is odd, and I didn't think it would create a good suction. But it is perfectly fine. I think there's like a magnet that pulls it in. Now onto the robot. Right here, the logo. This is like a gritty feeling texture. I really like the look of it. This is just kind of a reflective thing. Here's the home button and the start cleaning. Here's the LiDAR. This spins. And this, if it goes underneath something, it will not damage the LiDAR because there's a sensor in there and it'll tell it that it's hitting something. To get to the bin, you just lift this up. Real simple. Push this in, and dustbin comes out. There's the brush roll. Not sure what that little port thing is. There's a suction. There's a self-empty port. And this is the dustbin. I had it running and it got stuck, and that's why it's still a little full. To empty the bin, you just push this, pull it, and this opens. And you just close it. It's real simple. And then to get the filter out, just pull on this, and it comes out really easy. I'll clean that later. And then it just snaps back in really easy.
dust been installed.
Another thing, here's the camera. This is the light. This is the huge camera. And then, as you can see, there's like a little laser or something there. It's pretty cool. When you're flipping the robot over, make sure you have something underneath. That way the LiDAR doesn't get a whole bunch of stress put on it. This is the front caster wheel. It's pretty straightforward. Spins. Yeah. This spins. When you get it, this will not be attached for who knows why. It's pretty simple. Just line it up here, push, and it's on. Here's the cliff sensors. There are 4 of them. Wheels. I don't know why they move really. They have a lot of resistance, but they work fine. Here's the 2 spinning mop pads. These turn. When you get them 2, these will not be attached. Right here you can see where the robot extends the mop pad. It just turns like this, and then it extends it. These just...
Mop pads installed.
On this side, it's just a spinning thing. Doesn't have anything special. Okay. Now the brush roll. Just push these 2 in. This lifts off. This does get really dirty, probably because of the moisture from the mop. And here, you'll get to where the robot pushes all the stuff up into the bin. Right there's where it spins. It's brush spin. Brush roll, I kind of like it because these are really flexible, and then these are kind of like more like beater bar type things because they're stiff. These are not. And when it's running, you can hear the brush hitting the floor. So I'll definitely be showing that later. Then these 2 things you can just twist and it'll come off. Sometimes it's a little tough, but it usually comes off. You gotta line these up, the little things in here, and it's on. Now I'm gonna tell it to go vacuum hard floor and carpet. That way you can hear what it sounds like.
Emptying the dust